Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Makeup by Rashika and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Apply foundation evenly and conceal eyes. Groom and fill in brows. Set eyelids to avoid crease lines. Apply a light transition shade and build color. Blend the dark brown shade from the outer corner to the inner corner evenly. Scrawl a black kohl pencil all over your lid. Gently smudge it from the inner corner to the outer corner. Apply the same black eyeshadow color on the top and blend. Blend brown shade with black to make it look softer. Curl your lashes. Apply mascara to your upper lashes. Conceal under eye area. Blend well. Set concealer with translucent powder. Contour face properly. Add blush for naturally flushed looking cheeks. Line lower lash line with kohl. Set smudged kohl using black eyeshadow. Apply mascara on lower lash line. Line lips with a nude colored pencil. Apply a nude colored liquid lipstick. Finish by applying highlighter to the high points of your face.